This is LK Garage. Once again, now that we are here, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to introduce or to show you how to put your Chevrolet 1.4 engine drive belt. Sorry, 1.4 engine and 1.8 engine drive belt is the same as this one. Let's see how to put it if we want to replace a drive belt. So here we take it from, is the main pulley, this one, and this adjuster roller. So this one, you put your belt here like this one. See how it is. This is the belt. This is it. You can see. So you put your belt here, the main roller. See the main roller here. So put your belt like this one. So put your belt between the ruler adjuster and then the water pump pulley, this one. So you put it in the middle, then you stretch it up like this one through to the air conditioning motor, then you stretch it out like this one out to the water pump pulley to the alternator. So this is it. First place your from here. First place your belt here between the main pulley and then the roller. So how it is here and here. Here we go once again. You can see this. Then through to the air conditioning motor. From air conditioning motor to the water pump pulley, then the alternator. So this is it. Here we go. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is LK Garage. Thank you. So this here, I pick it out from here. Then set to main pulley. Then you come here. This is how it is. In the beginning, if you put it here, you set it here, it will lock between this water pump pulley and then the adjuster pulley. It will lock. So after locking, then you pick out the main pulley.